Okay, Boss, back at it again with another video. I just finished retwisting my hair, as you can see. I use, where is it at? This 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 12 out of 10. We're just gonna see how long it holds up. I like the way it slicked it down, but let's see how long it holds up before I give it too good of ratings. Make sure you subscribe. I don't know if I just said that, but either way. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick little how to do barrel twist tutorial, because I'm gonna put little barrel twist little ponytails right here. I hope it looks cute, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so most importantly, what you want to do is grab, where do I want to grab? You're gonna leave like part of your hair alone, if that makes sense. Like, you see how I'm kind of starting from right here? So I'm starting from right here because I want to be able to grab and like add to my hair. So I'm grabbing two pieces of hair, making sure they don't unravel from how I just twisted it. And then I start twisting them. And then I'm going to start adding. So again, make sure your twists don't unravel from the direction that you just did your hair. And then you just add. So adding hair, and then you tuck it under just like this. So here, take it and put it over and put it under. And then you literally just keep doing that. So it's actually pretty simple. Which way was this twisted? Yeah, it's actually pretty simple. You just have to make sure that you keep adding on. So again, make sure that fresh little retwist isn't coming undone. And then I add. Now I'm just going to keep adding. I'm not going completely I'm not going completely down. But because I'm only doing it to make it like a little what do you call it? Ponytail, I guess you can say. It's like if I was to do two pigtails. I'm trying to do a different hairstyle than what I usually do, y'all. I'm really trying. Because I always do a little ponytail. And I'm trying not to just do a little ponytail and try something different. So this better be cute, or again, I'm going to be mad. I'm only doing just like the top, and I'm not grabbing like my little edges right there, if that makes sense. Okay, then I'm just gonna do this last one. Put it around. Grab my big rubber band to secure it. And just like that. I'm gonna put another one on because this little piece did not get in there like I wanted it to. Okay. Honestly, I don't know. All right, I'm about to do the other one. I'm gonna speed up this video and I'm gonna do the other one, and then we're gonna see how it looks because I can't decide. So I'm gonna speed it up and then kind of slow it down at the end so you guys can see how I did it. And yeah, so we will see if this is what I stick with.
Oh, man, no. Junior King, there will be no more funny business. You and your shortcuts are what caused the fire in the first place. King Sour.
Blank Beats Production.
Josh P, what it do?
To make the ponytail. Kinda. Fluff it out a little bit. Okay, I'm about to flip the camera so I can look at myself and see if I like this, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm back because I realized the other video was just like a tad bit out of frame. So just in case you missed it, I'm gonna show you guys again, even though my hair is not retwisted anymore because I sweat. I'm gonna show you guys another close-up of how to do the barrel twist. I'm gonna try and make it as neat as possible since, yeah, my hair is not freshly retwisted, okay? So I'm just going to tuck this piece back here. And first, I am going to take these two pieces right here, okay? And I'm going to start twisting these two. Let me try to grip these so I can make this as neat as possible. Also, guys, I realized that one, I did not show you guys the full look once I finish my hair. So I'm gonna put a picture right here, and that's how I ended up doing my hair, okay? And two, my hair is not going to look as clean as some locks might look because my ends are frizzy like this, and because I have, you know, and this is the style that I want, so it's not going to look as neat and clean as other styles would when they do the barrel twist, because their locks are like sleek all the way to the, you know, bottom, and mine are not like that. So again, twist. And after I have twisted, I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm snatching these roots up to the gods, and I'm going over and I'm tucking it, okay? And then do the same thing. Take this side, and once I twist that, I am tucking this under. And then you really want to just keep doing that until you get your satisfied look of what you want your locks to look like. You can secure it with a rubber band, of course. Again, taking this and grabbing that and just tucking it under. Okay, same thing. Taking this and tucking. Taking this, you see this, and I am tucking. Okay, so I hope that is a better explanation. So again, you always want to start off with like two twists, two locks, and just twist those first, and then that's when you start taking the locks and wrapping it like this and bringing it around. And if you do it tight enough, then your hair should be secure. Because you see this, I don't have no rubber band or anything on, but it's able to stay by itself because, like I said, I kept tucking and I wrapped around. So this is how it looks. So I hope that makes sense. And I'm not gonna keep my hair like this. Actually, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. It's just barrel twists are so itchy. I don't know. Let's see. We already here, so let me see how I feel about this. So again, taking these two and I'm twisting around, twisting, and now we add the hair. Taking this and we add the hair. Taking this, adding, but again, make sure you are twisting all the way around. This is going to help to secure it so it does not come undone. Okay. I hope this was a little bit more of a clear visual. since the other video was kind of cutting off the view. I hope you were able to see just a little bit better, but yes, you get the point. It will look a little different just depending on your style of locks, like I said before, because my locks are a little bit more free and curly at the ends. It is not as sleek as, you know, you might be used to them being, but that is okay because I like my hair being like this, and I like that I don't palm roll my hair all the way, you know, and just do the roots. So again, it works for me. And like I said in my other video, everyone's locks are going to look different, and that's fine. That's what makes your journey your journey. Okay? This is kind of cute. Y'all, my phone storage is so over me. But anyway, I ended up keeping my hair like this. I hope the second part of the video, the tutorial, was a lot better than the beginning of it, because at the beginning I didn't realize you couldn't see this. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and come back for more. And I'll see y'all in the next video.